Did you notice that our culture sentiment score just jumped to plus 0.52, with a momentum of plus 0.26? This spike is particularly striking when you consider the historical baseline, which typically hovers around neutral. That means something significant is happening in cultural conversations right now. With our API, you can access real-time sentiment analysis and semantic clusters, helping you understand the nuances behind this shift. Imagine using this data to drive content strategies or tailor marketing campaigns that resonate with current cultural sentiments. For instance, if you're developing a campaign around a trending topic, our sentiment data can guide your messaging to align with the prevailing cultural mood. To dive deeper into how to leverage this insight, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful.